A synthetic grass surface has many benefits but attracts common problems, such as the build-up of algae, embedded contaminants, sand compaction, surface matting and slipperiness, all which make your surface unsightly and unsafe for your players. Existing cleaning methods have used toxic chemicals which are dangerous to use to remove algae and airborne contaminants, but this can strip away the UV protection on the grass fibres. Hard rotary brushes have also been used to break up the compaction, sweep up the dirt and fix surface matting. But brushes and metal tines can cause irreparable damage to your playing surface. Both of these methods can drastically reduce the lifespan of your field and may void your warranty. The TurfX cleaning system uses its globally patented technology to deep clean and gently remove ground-down sand fines, algae and other pollutants without damaging your surface. We don't use harsh chemicals or brushes to remove the contaminants that with existing cleaners can remain buried in the pile. The TurfX deep cleaning system makes your turf more hygienic and safer for your players. It improves surface playability, extends the life of your field, safeguards your warranty and returns your surface to like-new condition. TurfX will help you protect your players, protect your investment and protect your club. Call us today for an obligation-free quote.